Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Best Inspiration Kitchen. First of all, I would like to thank you. I really appreciate your support for my channel. After my lasagna video, I've got many requests about lasagna vegetarian version, and today I'm gonna share with you this lasagna version, this vegetarian lasagna. It's healthy, it's mega tasty, it's vegetarian, it's vegan, and it's dairy free. You're gonna love it. Today I'm gonna share with you the dairy free cheese, almond cheese. You're gonna also love this recipe. Let's do it together. To start this delicious recipe, first of all I'm gonna prepare my sweet potato because I'm gonna use it for my bechamel sauce. So sweet potato, just wash it, give it a good wash and peel it, cut it, add water and salt, and I'm gonna boil it. And now I'm gonna prepare my delicious sauce. So in a hot pan, olive oil, 3 tablespoons olive oil, and I have spring onion, just the white part. I'm gonna use it now, and I'm gonna let the leaves for later. So as you see, here is my spring onion. Now I'm gonna add garlic, have carrot, but I'm gonna use 4 grated carrots instead of meat. I'm gonna put carrots. After 2 minutes, I'm gonna add yellow pepper. I'm looking for the sweetness. You can use also the red color and the orange one. I have in my fridge just yellow one, but not the green. Cherry tomato, have the red and the yellow one. With that I have beautiful colors. Now I'm gonna add pepper, black pepper, salt, tomato juice, now I'm gonna prepare my dairy-free cheese, almond cheese. You're gonna love it. So I have here soaked almonds for overnight. Just peel them and keep them like that. We need it just white part. So here is my almonds. We're gonna put them directly in a blender. Squeeze a little bit lemon juice. pinch of salt, and if you have apple vinegar you can use it. I'm gonna just use just a little bit almond milk. Great. Now I'm gonna add some shallot flakes to give it a little bit taste. This moment I'm gonna add my sweet potato. I'm gonna add my spring onion leaves with olive oil. Right, I'm gonna prepare my bechamel sauce. Fresh thyme. You will see it's delicious. Something healthy and easy to prepare. And now I'm gonna add a little bit almond milk. Perfect. And let the blender do the job. If you see that you need a little bit of water, you can add it. Yes. Now back to the sauce. I'm gonna add spinach to give it a little bit energy. Now I'm gonna add basil and parsley. You see these colors, the smell, it's wonderful. A little bit oregano and some fresh thyme. Wow, perfect. You cannot imagine. You see, the sauce is ready. Now everything is ready. I'm gonna just add a little bit black pepper. Perfect. Now everything is ready. First of all, preheat your oven 180 degrees. And here my bechamel sauce is really delicious. I'm gonna just add a little bit salt. Salt always depends on your taste, and a little bit dried oregano. So now I'm gonna start. Something really delicious. These colors, something healthy. Here I have my lasagna. Then again. You're gonna really love this recipe. Again, here is the last part, because I don't have no mozzarella. I'm gonna not use no mozzarella cheese. As I said, it's dairy-free lasagna. We need a lot of our dairy-free bechamel sauce. And before I finish, I'm gonna make a little decoration here. Some lasagna. They have some spring onion rings. Tomato, cherry tomato, some red cherry tomato, the last one. You're gonna really love it. So I'm gonna put it in oven 30 minutes, 180 degrees. See you at the end. So after 30 minutes in oven, here is the result. You can hear the sound here, but I'm gonna let it 10 minutes before cut it. So here is the result. I'm gonna cut it. Delicious vegan lasagna. Perfect. So here is our lasagna, delicious lasagna, vegan lasagna, as I told you before. I'm sure you're gonna love it. I hope you're gonna try it at home and give me feedback. See you next time, another video in another recipe, and enjoy. Bye bye.